LiftKeeper is an app used by elevator service companies to run all aspects of an elevator business. A mobile application for in-field technicians. About 75% of our users are those in-field technicians. The other portion of that is back office functionalities. All the things they need to do to run their business, they're at least starting those processes out in LiftKeeper. As you can imagine, running a business, a lot of that involves documents and workflows, which is what started our Intellistack conversation. We primarily started the conversation purely for eSignature. We quickly learned that Intellistack has much more capabilities. That wasn't really driven by us. It was learning the product during the due diligence that made us realize, hey, this can help us in more ways than just eSignature. We have close to 200 customers, and they all have different interests in terms of workflows and the forms that they're looking to generate and use to collect data. They use our system for proposals, and they wanted to be able to automate that a bit, generating those documents, generating the templates, and then routing them for signature. Because we're running an app, we needed heavy integration, but also the ability to customize for our customer base. We have a native document builder in LiftKeeper now. What I realized really quickly is that we could replace that, not only give our customers something better, but give us something that is easier to manage and give them custom templates for their individual platform. The low-hanging fruit for us is proposals. It's now expanded into data collection. Our mechanics, they are the starting point for much of the data. Speed, capacity, there's all kinds of data they're collecting per unit. And so being able to build out a custom form will really help get data and high quality data into our system so that our customers and their customers can put it to work. The Intellistack team has just been amazing. I really feel like we have a partner in Intellistack. Anytime we have a question, we are getting resources back immediately, and that's continued throughout our implementation and the build out. I think we're going to save our customers so much time. Being able to give them a custom solution per tenant through an interface that's easy to manage on our side, and we're going to save ourselves even more. I definitely recommend partnering with Intellistack because of the product, but also the support behind that product. We're getting the resources we need that have really helped to expedite the development here and get it in front of our customers sooner.